Hey kids, it's Mrs. Kimball from Kids Cook Real Food here, and we are going to talk about two very important words today. Growing foods and fun foods. Do you know the difference? Growing foods are foods that when you eat them, they help you grow bigger and stronger and smarter and faster and all the things that kids want to be. Fun foods are fun. They're fun in your mouth, and then that's where the goodness ends. They're just fun for your tongue, but when you swallow them, they either don't help you grow or they might even kind of hurt you. So let's look at some foods here and see what might be a growing food and what might be just a fun food for your mouth. Okay, so a tomato is my first example. A tomato is a vegetable and it's got lots of vitamins and minerals, and a tomato is going to be good growing food along with any other vegetable. Like lettuce, especially if you make a salad with a good homemade dressing with extra virgin olive oil. That fat and veggies together is like power packed to help you grow. But what about juice? I mean, juice is made from fruit sometimes, but it's still mostly a fun food. It's still mostly a fun food. It's just fun in your mouth, and it gives you a little bit of water for hydration, which is good. But juice is mostly a fun food, even the best juices that are 100% fruit because they're missing something. Ask your parents if they know what fiber is. We need that in our bodies. Now, there's a really fun way to eat vegetables, right? Can vegetables be fun? Yes, but they're still growing foods. You know this, right? If you put peanut butter and some raisins on your celery, my kids love this, they call it ants on a log. And that way you're getting some fat and some protein, and you're getting those vegetables, and it can still be fun, but it's a growing food. Now, what's another example of just a fun food? Ooh, you guys see what this is? This is candy that my kids got in a parade, right? Pretty much if people are throwing it at you, it's probably just for fun. Candy is fun, it tastes good in your mouth, but that's where the fun ends. It's not actually good for your body. So fun foods are things that we should only eat sometimes, not all day long, not lots in a sitting, right? Some other really good examples of growing food are soup with meat and vegetables in it. This is some homemade turkey meatball zoodle soup that we have. Cheese, as long as your body can handle dairy, is a great growing food and a very good healthy snack. And here we have just some leftover meat. My kids love to eat meat with mustard. We always say that meat is really our growing food, and that's the kind of thing that's going to keep you full from breakfast until lunch and from your snack until dinner. So, fun foods and growing foods. Fun foods are just fun for your mouth. Things like candy, cookies, cake, ice cream. They're for sometimes, but not very often, and they're not really going to help you grow. Growing foods are fruits, vegetables, meats, yogurts, cheeses, healthy fats, all that good stuff that your parents want you to eat. You should want to eat too, because you want to be big and you want to be strong and you want to be fast and you want to be smart. And growing foods are going to help you do that. So today at dinner, I want you to talk to your family and look at your plates and look at what you have in your cupboards. What are growing foods and what are fun foods? Make sure you eat lots and lots of growing foods, and every so often when your mom and dad says it's okay, you can have a fun food here and there, right? I'm Mrs. Kimball from the Kids Cook Real Food e-course, challenging you to have a healthy day.